Hello student, in the last class we create this logo design and in this class we create this one. Center area is same, only outer shape is different. Before I start creating this shape, I show you some images so you better understand where this design come from. So I switch to my browser window. If you search wheat plant in the browser window, these images will appear, and if you click on this image, the bottom area is plant and top area is sky. If I click on this image, you can see the design pattern is pretty much similar with our design. I scroll down little bit and there are some vector images. If I click on this, the design pattern is little bit different, but it's identical. If I click on this, it's pretty much similar. This design pattern called wreath, I show you some images. The spelling of wreath is WREATH, and if you search wreath vector shape, these images will come. These are pretty much similar and you can see the different design pattern here. So many different design pattern is available here. Some is hollow, some is solid. These patterns are very popular in medal design. I show you some medal images. In the first image you can see the wreath pattern outside this medal, and in the second image in the inside, and there are some other design pattern. So I think you understand where this design pattern come from and where is very popular for design. Now I switch to Illustrator again. Now I start creating this shape, so I choose ellipse tool, right click on this and choose ellipse tool, and then click and drag by pressing shift key. Make sure there is no color, so I click on this icon for no fill color and then switch to selection tool again. By pressing alt and middle mouse you can zoom. Now I need to create a duplicate copy of this circle, so I press alt key first and then click and drag and then press shift key for alignment. This common or intersecting area is similar to our leaf. Now I select both circle. Pathfinder option is available here. In case Pathfinder option is not available here, go to Windows and Pathfinder option is available here. You can click on this and this will appear here, and you can also choose from here. Click on the intersect. Only common or intersecting area will remain same, and then click on this double arrow for switch color outline to fill, or you can also choose from here. I click on this cross button to close this panel. Now I create a duplicate copy of this leaf by pressing alt and then click and drag, then rotate 45°, and then create a duplicate copy again, and this time I click on this button for flip and then move little bit near. Now select both leaf and then click on the unite button in Pathfinder. Leaf creation is complete if you select this leaf and make a duplicate by pressing alt and shift. So you create a duplicate copy and then press Ctrl D again and again to repeat the last command. So by pressing Ctrl D, the copy shape is created in a direction, but we need to apply this in a circular path. Now I zoom little bit and select this and then press shift key and move your mouse outside this shape, so a rotation tool will appear, and then click and hold and rotate little bit 90°. Now we convert the shape as a brush, so first click on the Windows and choose brush panel and click on the create new brush button. A flyout is display and here you can choose pattern brush and then click on the OK button. A pattern brush option window is display, and if you want to increase the spacing of these brushes, so choose spacing and increase the percentage value in the spacing. And there are some other options for flipping or color, but I click on the OK button. So a new brush is created. Now I create a path by using pencil tool and this tool is available here, and create a path and then click on the brush. So brush is applied on this path. If you want to increase or decrease the shape of this brush, click on the stroke and increase stroke width or decrease. Same as I create another path and then apply this brush and increase or decrease the size. So by using these steps you can create any shape in a brush and then apply on a path. Now I create a circle, so I click on ellipse tool and then press shift key and then click and drag. So a circular path is created. Now I switch to selection tool again. Now we break this path from here and here by using scissor tool. Keyboard shortcut is C and then click on this point. Okay, a point is add and this part is break from this point. Same as I click on this point and then switch to selection tool. Now you can select this circle in two separate shapes, then delete this. Now I select this path and then press Ctrl C to copy and then paste and place by using Shift Ctrl V. So two paths is on the same position. On the first path I apply this brush. So brush is applied. If you want to increase or decrease the leaf, change the stroke width. Now I select both shape and make a duplicate copy in the other direction and click on the flip options and move nearby and then Ctrl G to group, or you can also choose this option in the right click. Now I copy this design. So first I ungroup this and then select all the shapes and then make duplicate. Okay, and then group again. It's also a group. Okay, now scale down this redesign by pressing Alt and Shift and then click on this point and move inside. Okay, I think it should be a little bit bigger. Okay, now I create a leaf on the end of this point. So I choose this one and make a duplicate copy and rotate and then place here. And if you want to decrease the size, you can also make changes and then create a duplicate copy and then flip and then place here. Okay, so design is completed. Second logo design is complete. I hope you learned how to create a custom brush and apply on a path. So by using these steps you can create a logo. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.